Hi my babies, how are you doing? Smidgen Amber, aka Dermaroller Queen, and welcome back to my beauty channel and dermaroller video, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about the fake and real dermarollers. I mean real and fake, and I took apart the fake dermaroller to talk about that. I have today 4 mistakes that people who dermaroll make, and I want to expose these 4 mistakes in order you to know this and to help you have a better benefits for your skin and avoid some scarring, some crap happening on your skin. Okay, tip number 1, maybe using fake dermaroller. And how to know that? I know nobody knows. We buy from Amazon for $10 dermaroller and we think that's gonna make my skin beautiful and nice. Maybe you bought fake dermaroller. Now fake dermarollers are not like bad dermarollers, but fake dermarollers can possibly scar your skin, can not give you any results, so you're gonna spend even $10 but you're gonna waste your time and you're gonna get no benefits. Can, for example, this morning someone that texted me on Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's X. You can follow. I give there a lot of advices and you can text me there personally. So she sent me that she's been dermarolling her scalp. She started rolling and she started losing hair, and she sent me a picture. I don't know if she will be allowed to insert the picture, but her hair looks horrible. She lost a lot of hair, and I say, can you send me the dermaroller picture what you've been using? She's been using this dermaroller with the fake wheels. Guys, if you don't know, I did experiment with the microscope. I roll on the paper with this fake dermaroller and with real dermaroller, and the difference is huge. We don't see with the human eye, but there is a proof that those leave the scars on the skin. I'm gonna link down below the video. You're gonna be able to check it out. So make sure you use real dermaroller. I do sell real dermaroller. I'm gonna link down below also a couple of other brands. You don't have to buy from me. There are other brands that have a real individual needle dermaroller. Real needle dermaroller is made out of real needles, like a real needles, medical grade stainless steel, high quality with CA certification, which is very important, that is able to be sold in Europe, and European Union have the most strictest standards in the health department. So basically this is really high quality. Those things, like those kind of, if you see like this black dermaroller or like red or green, anything is, it's like this. The fake wheels that has inside this dermaroller is like, it's not needles, it's just a piece of metal with the, oh my god, I'm gonna destroy somebody. If you hit somebody, just and gonna slice the skin. Basically the difference, needle goes straight, and this is over here, if you will look under the microscope, it's like a knife. So you're always gonna be sticking a knife in your skin. So this is mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, you're using too big size. Even though if you're using real individual needle roller, you're using too big size. Everybody wants quicker, faster, more results, less work in less time. That doesn't work with the skin. It's the same like you're going to the gym for the first time. You want to be fit, you want to be really toned, you want to look good. You think you're gonna go 1 or 2 or even 5 times to the gym, you're gonna have amazing results and you're gonna have a big biceps. No guys, you need to be consistent. You have to have discipline. Every Monday 9 p.m. I dermaroll, and not using too big size. If you're using too big size, you might gonna have not even no results. You might gonna have premature aging. When you dermaroll too much, way too often, with a big needle, not bueno, no bueno. Dermaroll, start always with the smallest size, which is 0.25. If you have sensitive skin, 0.20. Dermaroll for a couple of months. I have video how to do it, how to increase the size. The table is on my website, which size, how often, for what concern to use. Go to my website. All the information is going to be down below under this video. Know your things that you're doing and you're going to have a benefits. If people text me like, Jen, I've been using the Dermaroller for 2 months, I don't have results. Like, what needle are you using? 1.5 every single week. Oh my God, like I'm sometimes getting pissed because people are destroying their skin. Guys, trust me, I get so many crazy questions every single day and I want to cry. Like this morning, this girl, what made me to do this video, this girl sent me a picture, just like, I'm gonna ask her if she's gonna let me to put the picture here. I just want to cry. I just really want to cry. Beautiful girl, beautiful girl, lost like almost all of her hair using this Dermaroller. I'm like, oh my God, I just want to cry. I have to give this information to you guys because I know many of you already know this information, but some of you still don't know. Some new people still don't know this, so I'm just letting you know, okay? Mistake number 3, before care and after care. Before dermarolling and after dermarolling. Before, you always remember, disinfect dermaroller, disinfect your skin. More videos how to do that in the description box below. Disinfect with alcohol dermaroller for sure. Disinfect with toner or alcohol or witch hazel or estrogen your skin. You need to disinfect your skin. You might gonna get infection, and that's real. You're getting real needles in your skin. You have to be real and serious with that, right? And after care, always use SPF if you're going out. Don't go out for the first 48 hours if you dermaroll your skin. Don't go to sauna, don't go to gym for 24 hours at least. Don't exercise, don't sweat, don't do crazy things, exfoliating, acids and stuff like this. Wait from doing anything, all the other tools, other massages of the face, acids, exfoliating acids, scrubs for at least 3 days, okay? 3 days. You gotta be careful what you do before and what you do after. If you scrub the day before really harsh, don't dermaroll the next day. You have to be really careful. I have many videos. Everything is going to be down in the description box, guys. And the mistake number 4, one session shouldn't last, especially if you're a beginner. First 4 or 5 times, don't make your session, each session last longer than like 5-7 minutes. I get messages like, I've been dermarolling for 1 month, no results. I'm like, okay, asking questions, what's going on? And then she's like, I say, so how long do you spend time to dermaroll? 20-30 minutes. I'm like, oh my God, I don't even spend that much. No, first 4 or 5 times, 5 minutes. You don't need more. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. That's it. After a month, after 2 months, you can spend 7 minutes. If you advance, you've been doing this, you already increased the size, you're using 0.5, let's say after like 6, 7, 8 months, you can do 10 minutes. You don't need, guys, more than 10 minutes. I don't dermaroll my face longer than 10 minutes. You don't need to dermaroll longer or more often to have results. And you don't do this more often than you should. The table how often to do that is on my website, jenamber.com, in the facts section, and screenshot the table. I'm gonna put right here, screenshot the table, print on the bathroom, where you dermaroll, in the front of your bed, I don't know where you dermaroll, but put there so you see and you know how often you should do. Please don't do too often and don't do way too long one session. 5 minutes. If you're really beginner, if you have sensitive skin, 2-3 minutes, trust me, it's gonna be enough to have discipline. If you're gonna roll 1 month and then you're gonna remember after 1 month, don't ask me why you don't have results. This is a natural tool. This is nothing crazy, just discipline. This is so cheap. This is really the most cheapest and the most natural way to have beautiful skin. This is the best anti-aging tool to me in the world. Like, honestly, I just love them. You guys can feel how passionate I am about dermarollers. Like, whoa, to me, just like I'm just getting excited when I film dermaroller videos. I really love that. I really love. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please leave me a like. It's gonna help me a lot. Please subscribe if you haven't. I have another like 400 beauty videos, like 100 dermaroller videos. You can check out playlists. There's dermarolling playlist. There's going to be all dermaroller videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Please be serious with this. This is serious, and be serious because you're going to have a beautiful skin if you're going to be serious, disciplined, and you're going to use the right way with the right technique. I love you guys. Bye. Bye.